Ready for the week? But let's first celebrate it, because Master Azerbaijani word of today has the word bayram. Bayram. Bayram is holiday, festival, celebration. Ready to see phrases? Public holiday, local festival, family celebration. Here comes the Azerbaijani version. Rəsmi BAYRAM, public holiday, Rəsmi BAYRAM. Rəsmi also means official. Yerli BAYRAM, yerli means local. Ailə BAYRAMı, family celebration, something that belongs to your family only. I have some sentences for you. Stay tuned. Bugün mənim üçün bayramdır. Today is a holiday for me. Bugün, today, technically means this day, literally. Mənim üçün, for me, bayramdır, is holiday. Let's see another one. Sabah, rəsmi bayram olduğu üçün məktəb bağlıdır. School is closed because tomorrow is a public holiday. Məktəb bağlıdır. School is closed. Sabah, tomorrow, rəsmi bayram, public holiday, olduğu üçün, because of being public holiday. You got it? Let's put them together. Sabah, rəsmi bayram olduğu üçün məktəb bağlıdır. Basically, school is closed because tomorrow is a public holiday. Another one. No, not the one you think. That's my way. Watch. Every day I have no meeting is like a bayram for me. All right. That was today's word bayram. Come back for more festivity, cheer, and all that related words tomorrow. Until then, check mastersofjay.com. I think you will find it valuable if you are serious on learning Azerbaijani. Cheers.